As many of you know, I'm Susan, Robert's mum, and this is video number 4 in a fight for justice for Robert. The other videos can be found on YouTube, our Facebook page and the web page. First, we'd like to thank you for your very kind donations to Just Giving page, which was set up because Thames Valley Police ignored this court order for full disclosure. The County Court of Oxford granted us a court order for full disclosure of all documents Thames Valley Police hold in relation to the death of Robert. This includes information given to them by a third party. The date in this court order is the 14th of July 2016. It also states they must disclose information on all documents they once held but no longer hold, which has been lost relating to Robert. This would include Robert's underwear, his blood and urine samples, notebooks, Thames Valley Police Gen 19 and logbook, etc, etc. Just before the deadline, a lawyer went back to court to request that the judge put a penal notice on the order, as it didn't look like Thames Valley Police were going to abide by it. Once again, the judge upheld our order and named the Chief of Police, Thames Valley Police, liable to ensure all documents were released to us by the 22nd of August 2016. Thames Valley Police requested that the family give them more time to collate all the information they held regarding Robert. We agreed to this and gave them until the 30th of September 2016, but instead of doing what they said they were going to do, they spent their time writing to witnesses. We were told they were writing to witnesses to make them aware of the court order. We've obtained a copy of this letter and I quote a paragraph from it. Thames Valley Police have received a court order from witness statements regarding the death of SAC Robert Fleeton. I write to you in order to seek your consent or view in reference to disclosure of your witness statements. We are working to tight timescales and therefore could I request your views by email or letter by the 5th of September 2016. Once again, Thames Valley Police have misled not only our family but our lawyer. We are now into July 2017, nearly a full year since the first court order, and still we don't have full disclosure. And once again, we're having to go back to court. This will be our third court appearance. If you find this as shocking as we do, that the very government body that's been put in place to uphold the law can so blatantly ignore it, then please tell everyone you know about our son's case. Now that Parliament is back up and running, we are seeking meetings with the Minister for Policing and a follow-up meeting with the Minister for Coroners, as it seems the correspondence from the last meeting has been twisted by the inquest team. The Minister stated he would write to Attorney General on behalf of the family. They now state for him to contact Attorney General would be seen as interfering, as the family could do this themselves. We've got one armed force made up of 4 parts of the country who abide by 4 very different laws, and unless they die within their country of origin, it's very expensive for families to obtain answers, as sometimes they have to travel hundreds of miles to speak with the police, MOD and lawyers if they need legal advice, which in nearly every case they do. We are fully aware we will need tens of thousands of pounds to take our son's case to Attorney General, but with your kind donations we know we can at least take the next step of going back to court to get this order upheld. Please keep your donations coming in and let Thames Valley Police know, like us, you're not going away. We've got too many cases being highlighted where the police have stalled families, lied to families in courts, and it's taken years before the families find justice. We don't want to be another deep cut at Hillsborough, where we are fighting for 28 years, but if we have to, we will. We're not going anywhere until the full truth about our son's death is told. Keep passing on our son's story. And a quote from the Hillsborough, "The power of the people is greater than the people in power." Thank you.